If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2020 Jeep Cherokee Latitude in blue shade pearl. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, bright side roof rails, rear window wiper and washer, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, only 4,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, remote start system, split folding rear seats, power liftgate, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6034.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.